안녕하세요. 뉴욕의 한국어 선생님입니다. 저랑 한국어 공부해요. Hello everyone, I'm New York Korean teacher. Let's study Korean with me. In the previous video, I was talking about Korean 14 basic consonants. Today, I'm going to be talking about 10 basic vowels of Korean. Alright, let's go. We are still talking about Korean alphabet. So I'm going to be teaching 10 basic vowels today. So I'm going to show you 10 basic vowel chart. And we're going to be learning the shape of the letter and pronunciation of each letter. And yeah, I'm going to teach how to write Korean. Again, you got to start from left to right, top to bottom. It will save your time later on when you're writing Korean. Easy and simple. Yes, I'd like to make my video like easy and simple. I don't want to put a lot of information on one video lesson. So please try to keep watching my video. Like if you continuously watch my video, then it will be really helpful to memorize all basic Korean letters. Alright, here are Korean 10 basic vowels. So I'm going to read each of letter. Please repeat after me. Remember, when I say 따라하세요, that means repeat after me. Alright, 따라하세요. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. So the first one is a, second, third. Okay, so 1 through 10, we have 10 basic vowels here. I'm gonna make a little short chant for you. Like it will be helpful to memorize all basic vowels here. Okay, like this. 아야, 어여, 오요, 우유, 으이. Alright, 따라하세요. 아야, 어여, 오요, 우유, 으이. Alright, one more time. Okay, 따라하세요. 아야, 어여, 오요, 우유, 으이. Alright, good job. Okay, I'm gonna be explaining more in detail about this. Alright, let's go to the next page. Before we get started, I want you to get a blank paper or notebook for the writing practice. Alright, the first vowel here. 모음, 모음. It means vowel. Alright, you know how to write this letter like this? Top to bottom, you gotta start from top to bottom, left to right. So, please practice with me with your notebook and your pen or pencil. Okay, right now, so please write it down on your notebook. A, 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 a. The pronunciation of this letter, a, as in father. A, as in father. 따라하세요. 아, 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 아. 모음, vowel. This is a second vowel. We call it Ya. Okay, please write it down on your notebook or blank paper. Ya, 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 ya. Pronunciation of this letter, ya, as in yard, yacht, yard, yacht, 야. 따라 하세요. 야, 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 야. 모음, vowel. This is third vowel. 어. Okay, write it down on your notebook or blank paper. 어, 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 어. Pronunciation of this letter is as in up and down. When we say like up and down and up, butter, This is about Korean vowel, about, 따라 하세요. 어, 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 어. 모음, vowel, 여. Okay, write it down on your notebook again. 여, 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 여. The pronunciation of this letter is 여, as in young, as in young. Okay. 따라 하세요. 여, 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 여. 모음, vowel. Write it down on your notebook or blank paper. 오, 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 오. Pronunciation of this letter, O, as in home, no, so. Okay, 따라 하세요. 오, 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 오. 모음, vowel, 요, 요. Okay, 요, 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 요. Pronunciation of this letter, 요, as in yo-yo or yogurt. 따라 하세요. 요, 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 요. 모음, vowel, 우. You gotta start writing this letter from left to right, top to bottom, right? Okay, 우, 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 우. Pronunciation of this letter, 발음 우 as in moon, 눈, 훅, 문, 눈, 훅 따라하세요. 우, 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 우. 아주 잘했어요. This means great job or very good. 잘했어요. 모음 vowel. You gotta start left to right, top to bottom. Okay. You, 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 you. Pronunciation of this letter, 발음, you, as in you, youth, shoe, shoes. 따라하세요. You, 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 you. 잘했어요. Good job. 모음 vowel. This one looks very easy. It's just one simple stroke like horizontal line here. 으, 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 으. 발음, pronunciation of this letter, 으. I put two words here, like 으 as in apple, ski. So I just made the underline below the letter, not with the red letter, because there is no exact the same pronunciation in English. So just try to repeat after me for this letter. 으, 으. Okay, again. 따라하세요. 으, 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 으. Alright, here is the last vowel here. 모음, vowel. This one is easy and simple. There is only one vertical line here. E, 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 E. 발음, pronunciation of this letter is E, as in C, female, detail. 따라하세요. E, 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 E. Alright, that's all for today. We went over Korean 10 basic vowels and I made this chart for you. So if you want to get this chart, please email me with this email address. My email address, NYKoreanTeacher@gmail.com. And please don't forget to put the document number here. And we're going to be talking about double consonants in next video. If you like my channel, please click like button and subscribe my channel. Alright, see you next time.